Disclaimer, I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I don't know what I'm doing in most areas of my life. I don't know what possessed me to trim my hair on blown out hair versus straight hair. I always do it when I straighten my hair. So this is me trying to show you guys the idea I had for my trim and how much I wanted to take off. Of course, my hair is in sections. Y'all, I even bought new shears for this. So like, look at those ends. They look dry. They're thin. Like, let's get rid of them. I'm like, okay. So far, so good. Yes. Look at that face. Little did I know. Little did I know. So if you can see, like, the comb is catching at the ends of my hair, it's because I have single strand knots and the hair is dry down there, it's tangled, I have split ends. So that's the main reason why I am doing this trim. I missed my last one, so I'm way overdue. I'm even holding it like I think I know what I'm doing, which I was going for like this angle here. I usually cut my hair like all one length, but I wanted to see how my curls would look if I trimmed it at an angle. So that's what I call myself doing. And I'm just like going for it, like just chop it. Honestly, that side looked pretty good, I would say. Y'all, don't mind all the spots on the wall. That is product that missed my head and hit the wall. They'll paint over it when I leave. I don't know. This side was so much more difficult to kind of gauge. But, I mean, that obviously didn't stop me from just chopping. This was the beginning of the end. As if I had not hacked my hair up enough, y'all, I decided to cut it on wet hair.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
This is how I press it. Ah, what the fuck? All right, look.
Anyway, I ended up calling my friend over to help me even my hair out, and all is well in the world. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.